tree. And you went and touched it. That tree was nothing but good luck and amazing things, and you had to take it down, didn't you?
Leave me alone!
God!
Leave me alone!
I just asked a question!
Leave me alone!
You don't want to be young Mantha?
Leave me alone! Go away! Go away now!
Holy fuck.
Go away!
But my room is right here.
Away!
I can't just go.